Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can change your profile picture in Uber. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Uber app on your phone. And after opening your Uber app, now you have to tap on your account option that you can see in the bottom right corner right here. After tapping on the option here, you can see your profile will open, and now tap on your current profile picture that you can see right here. After tapping on your current profile picture or profile icon, now here you can see there is the option of personal info. Tap on it. Then you will be able to see a pen-like icon under your profile picture right here. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of update photo. Tap on it. Then you can see there's three different options: photo library, take photo, or choose file. If you want to choose it from your file, you can tap on choose file. If you want to take a photo right now, you can tap on take photo. And if you want to choose a photo from your library, you can tap on photo library. I'm going to choose photo library. And just like this, you can see now your gallery has been opened. Now from here, you can tap on any photo that you want as your Uber profile picture. So after tapping on the photo that you like, you can even adjust it like this or however you want. So after you are done adjusting it, you can simply just tap on the done option that you can see in the top right corner right here. And after doing so, here you can see your photo is being updated. And just like this, you can see your profile photo has been successfully updated and your profile picture has been changed. And that is it. That is how you can change your Uber profile picture. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.